cell wall is like the walls of the restaurant from environmental conditions and gives shape to the restaurant. In the same way, the cell wall protects, supports, and gives shape to the plant cell. The cell membrane is like a door, allows people to go in and out of the restaurant. In the same way, the cell membrane controls the passage of material in and out of the cell. The nucleus is like the manager of the restaurant, because the manager controls the rest of the staff. In the same way, the nucleus controls genetic information and is the control center of the cell. The ribosomes are like chefs of the restaurant, because the chefs produce food for the patrons of the restaurant. In the same way, the ribosomes link amino acids to form proteins in the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum is like the kitchen in the restaurant. The kitchen in the restaurant is where food is produced and cooked. In the same way that the endoplasmic reticulum helps in the assembly of proteins. Mitochondria is like the oven in the restaurant, because the oven and stove produce the energy for the food to cook and bake. In the same way that the mitochondria supplies energy for the cell to use. Cytoplasm is like the dining room, because the dining room allows the customers and other staff to move around and have space to sit. In the same way that the cytoplasm allows molecules to move around the cell. Golgi apparatus is like the waiters of the restaurant. The waiters put in order for a dish, receive it, and then carry it out from the kitchen to deliver it to the customer. In the same way that the Golgi apparatus processes, sorts, and delivers proteins in the cell. Lysosomes is like the janitor of the restaurant. The janitor cleans up messes and throws away the trash. In the same way that the lysosomes treats the cell of unwanted material. Cytoskeleton is like the building. The building gives shape and structure to the restaurant, in the same way that the cytoskeleton supports and gives structure to the cell. Vacuole is like the fridge. The fridge stores food to be used later, in the same way that the vacuole stores materials such as water, salts needed by the cell. Chloroplast is like the solar panels of the roof, the restaurant. The solar panels convert the sun's energy into energy to be used by electrical appliances in the restaurant. In the same way that the chloroplast carries out photosynthesis by converting sunlight into ATP or glucose used for energy for the plant cell.